So what happens when you take different papers from several collections and try to merge them into one? Well, this is what I came up with. I made a mini album with a lot of papers from Graphic 45. I bet there's 6 or 7 different collections in here, plus stickers and ephemera, chipboard elements. So lots of different things going into here, and it works okay. Is it the best? No, but it works okay. So first of all, what I made was a simple mini album. It's 5.5 by 4.25, 2 inches tall. I do not have a tutorial on this exactly. I've been making a lot of little mini albums. I wanted one a little bit bigger just so I could use some more paper. This month for my paper stash smash, what we're trying to do is go through and use, well, what I'm trying to do is smash a bunch of single sheets that I've had in my stash. And I've had all these different sheets from Graphic 45 collections, and I wanted to use them up. Crazy thing is I had these chipboard elements, and it seems like none of the colors in these chipboard elements will match with the collections. But you know what? Again, I just tried to make it work. I had a little teeny piece of this green paper from, I think it's Spring is in the Air. And there's green in here. And then this yellow paper is from the Christmas collection. Merry and Bright, I think it is. This green is from Little Things. The stickers, Nature Notebook, I'm guessing, and I think that's where the butterfly came from. As far as I remember, that's where it came from. So again, it's a small mini album. I have 4 signatures in here. I did a tutorial showing you how to make a small mini album using cardstock, and then I did it again using pattern paper for the elements. So I did sort of a merge on that. I used cardstock to make the cover and the hinge, but I didn't use cardstock for the papers. For the pages, I just used the pattern paper for the pages. So inside I have a pocket. It's a cheater pocket. I just scored, or not, I didn't score. I just glued it on 3 sides. Again, we've got that Christmas collection. I don't know. I think I like it with the pattern here. Some chipboard elements, stickers, different things. I tried to use up the chipboard elements, so you'll see them there. And I used the pattern paper as a photo mat. So there's going to be different photo mats on each side. I think that might be from Little Things, but I'm not positive. And then chipboard elements, that's a sticker. I just backed it on some paper and tucked it in here. Now each of the pages does have a top-loading pocket. So here's more room. And these, of course, are open, so you could still stick a photo in there. That's a sticker layered on some cardstock. That's another sticker. More chipboard. There's that. There's that. And then here we are at the back page. Big sticker on the front. There's still room for a photo and a pocket here on the back. There's the back cover, the spine, and there we go. So again, I was just using up random papers in my stash to try to smash and make a project out of it. This will be listed in the Etsy shop soon. Hubby's been busy, so he hasn't been able to take pictures. If it's something you want, just leave me a comment and I'll let you know how much it is till we get it into the Etsy shop. So that's what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.